Madrasi movie summary. Kasi travels to Mumbai to track down his parents' killers, where he successfully finds and kills the first two, but the third manages to escape. In Dharavi, Ravi Bhai and Mani Bhai are the brothers and leading goons, but soon they become enemies and constantly try to kill each other. To locate the third killer, Kasi joins Ravi Bhai's gang. However, Ravi is at odds with his brother Mani Bhai, who runs another gang, and the top goon is Siva. During an election, Siva rescues Mani Bhai from some goons while voting at a booth. Siva has a younger brother named Raghu, whom he takes to see a girl getting married. After a small complication, Siva ends up marrying the girl himself. Kasi falls in love with Anjali after fighting for her father, who was being harassed by goons. One day, Kasi and Anjali go to a restaurant, where Siva and his wife are also present. Siva and Kasi recognize each other from a previous meeting in prison, but they now work for rival gangs and become enemies. A builder approaches Ravi Bhai, claiming that his brother is threatening him for his share of a property. The builder asks for protection until he can leave for Singapore. Kasi sees an opportunity to prove himself and arranges for protection, but to no avail, and Mani Bhai kills the builder with Siva's help. Siva knew that the flight was delayed by an hour. Kasi becomes upset, but Ravi Bhai comforts him. After a scuffle in the restaurant, Kasi and Siva's phones get swapped, and they both escape. Siva receives a call from Ravi Bhai on Kasi's phone, asking him to store some weapons that they received from a party. Siva decides to use this opportunity to get revenge on Ravi Bhai and arranges for a man to steal the weapons and run from the police. The man leads the police to Ravi Bhai's godown, and they seize the weapons, but Kasi makes the police leave after telling them that the godown belongs to someone else. Siva's wife calls and informs him of his brother's disappearance, where he looks for him. Siva beats the goons and Mani Bhai's son after finding out they were responsible for his brother's disappearance. After an argument with Mani Bhai, Siva leaves his gang and meets Kasi, asking him to protect his brother despite their differences. Kasi agrees, but Ravi Bhai finds out and asks for the brother. Kasi refuses, where he gets into an argument with Ravi Bhai and leaves his gang. Siva leaves his brother in Kasi's custody. Now united and wanting to separate Siva and Kasi, Ravi and Mani plan to kill Siva's brother by killing Anjali and diverting Kasi. Siva's brother is killed, and Siva gets mad at Kasi. After this, Siva and Kasi realizes Ravi and Mani's plan, where they kill all the gangsters, including Ravi's son, Raja. However, Kasi demands not to kill Raja and agrees to help him. Every gangster gets killed in the train engine. However, Kasi gets fired by Mani, where Siva tries to kill Raja, but Kasi shows a pistol to Siva. By seeing that Kasi is injured by a bullet, Siva changes his mind and Kasi dies.